Is Freetrade in trouble? UK stock broken up, Freetrade raises $69 million. Is Freetrade going bust? In this video I'm gonna answer this question, so let's dive straight into it. My name is Marco, so let's do it. Now this is the article that has piqued my interest. Freetrade raises $69 million. That happened on March. So if a company is raising cash, it means that it's not cash flow positive and overall is not profitable. And so it means that at the time of recording, Freetrade is at risk of going bust. That doesn't mean that it's gonna go bust. That's what we are gonna answer in this video, but let's actually dive deeper into this article. Freetrade founder and CEO Adam Dodds says, "This is a transformational investment that will supercharge our mission to get everyone investing. It's painful to see millions of investors across Europe stuck paying high fees and bogged down by complex terms and conditions." And so it sounds like this money is needed both for the UK side of things, because Freetrade at the time of recording is only in the UK, but also to open in Europe, and also that's something that will propel Freetrade and also potentially make the business profitable. But the point being, and this is very important, the fundraising follows a period of significant growth that saw customers number hit 600,000, quarterly trade volumes exceeded 1 billion, and very important, the opening of offices in Sweden. And it is very important for us investors to be always up to date on what Freetrade does, their finances, etc. Because if Freetrade goes bust, our money that is invested there will be in trouble. So let's have a look at another broker that went bust here in the UK called Beautifort Securities, and basically the investors were trapped. This is the most important bit that I wanted you to take away. Those with assets tied up in a failed broker face a tense few months without accessing to their assets, while administrators disentangle their portfolios. And for this reason, and because I look after my subscribers, I will be making video updates on Freetrade so that you're always up to date on this broker, and also on Trading 212 because I'm using both. But once again, we do not know why Freetrade is actually raising this cash. They haven't disclosed publicly the reason, but actually looking at the Freetrade forum, I found an explanation from a Freetrade person on this topic. Let's look at it. And this is Rolling Skies Ben. This is a founding member, and he says, "Sorry folk, we'd be bust without VCs." And that's basically the cash they raised a month ago. "We are making and trying to expand. We need them far more than they need us. It is cap in hand, and in these economic times, very much like a mortgage application." Which then begs the question, is Freetrade then going bust or not? Well, not so fast. There are actually some good news, and let's have a look at them. This is again another founding member of Freetrade, and he says that we are actually growing 1,500 customers daily. And so Freetrade is actually growing quite a lot in the UK, because that's where at the moment is only operating. But there are also news because they've been trying to expand in Europe, and that's the next bit we are gonna have a look at. And guys, this bit is really a game changer, because I invest through Freetrade and also Trading 212, but I'm really becoming more and more of a fan of Freetrade, because Trading 212, they always put through changes to the terms and conditions and things like that are quite shady, to be entirely honest. So let's have a look at how Freetrade can actually become bigger and potentially become even better for UK customers. And again, this is from the Freetrade forum. The word from management is that they are in the process of rolling out as we speak. This can be attested by increasing number of jobs open in Sweden and France as advertised, but also Australia and Canada. And very important, and this is the deal breaker guys, it seems management aims to launch in EU countries in the fall of 2021. Now what it seems very interesting is that Freetrade is actually already hiring for positions in Europe, and that's something that really means that they are very advanced and they are already working in offices trying to get the app up and running. And that's what we're gonna have a look at right now. So these are the roles that are available at the time of recording, and as you can see, there is a role in Stockholm, a role in Australia, and then Stockholm again, and then Netherlands, and keep scrolling, Stockholm again. So really they're gonna start in Stockholm, Sweden to start with, which is very good guys, then Australia, and so on. And so it does seem that Freetrade is actually working ahead, trying to become profitable as much as possible. The new accounts of Freetrade will be actually available very soon. At the time of recording, they're due by the 30th of June 2021, which is literally a day away from the time of recording. And I will be making a video update as soon as the new accounts come out. And by accounts, I mean the new balance sheet, earnings as it were. So we're gonna have a look at their cash position, at the revenues, at everything about Freetrade. In the meantime, Freetrade co-founders have actually invested in an app called Koya, and that's basically aimed for summer launch. And that's very interesting, guys. I might even make a separate video for this. Let me know if you want to see it in the comment section below. And also, if you are not already part of Freetrade, get yourself an account using the first link in the description below, and that will give you a free share valued up to £200, and that's by depositing just £1. And last week I made a full-blown review of Freetrade versus Trading212. It is this video that is on the screen right now, so click on it and really understand the main differences between Freetrade and Trading212 and which one is best for you.